Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Adilson, and I'd like to transmit one quick message to you and to express my gratitude in participating in WhatsApp groups and also to establish one English communication with any kind of person who speak English. You know, to reach out to this point is not easy, and I can um, agree with you because it requires a lot of efforts from us, and we got to dedicate it to the maximum by studying different points in the different angles the English language. And I know that I need to fix some mistakes I made because I still learning to say the words instead of to reading or simply writing. I using the different process. But I would like to motivate anyone else that is learning English for not to give up. Always chase your dreams and always think that it's possible to conclude your mission, that is to learn with confidence. That's I expected for you. Okay, have a nice day and don't give up.